As promised, this is another project, like we had said when we adopted the 2025-2026 financial year budget, that we are prioritizing infrastructure. We are unveiling today the Prince Alfred Street. We have just refurbished this road from West Street to Camp Street. This will help us a lot in terms of relieving traffic from the Mosmapita Road, especially during peak hours. People can see we have spent here on 1.2 kilometer road about 8.5 million rand, just to ensure that our people get proper roads. The same on West Street, from Victoria Road to just over Loop Street, 22 million rand infrastructure. Our commitment, the one that we made also during the urban development in Daba, that we are going to give the infrastructure that is fit for purpose. We make it easy to move in the city. Kodwa ke singasho ke kubashayeli bakithi sibabonile nje kulesikhashana ukuthi engathi ijubani selinyuka kakhulu manje la kulomgwaqo. Abasibhekeke ngoba soba khona, kodwa ke of course if there's extra cash kulungile bazothi ukusikhokhela kancane ngoba sizobabamba la kulomgwaqo laba abasipida kakhulu. But our commitment into building better communities indeed is a commitment esiqhubekayo nokuyenza njalo.